Hi everyone, it's Shayna from WTI. So I wanted to tell you about my absolute favorite sugar alternative. This is the monk fruit erythritol blend. This sweetener is from Nourished. It's in a 1 pound bag in the granular. For those with dietary needs, it is vegan, gluten-free, there's no major allergens, and it's non-GMO. For those who have sensitive teeth, it is tooth-friendly. What I love the most is that it bakes just like sugar. If a recipe calls for half a cup of sugar, you measure out the same amount in this blend. So what's great about this blend is that the monk fruit and the erythritol together, it makes for a sweetener that tastes just as sweet as sugar, yet it's sugar-free. So those who are watching their sugar intake, or they're low carb, or they're on a keto-friendly diet can enjoy all their sweet treats, much like this cheesecake that's on here. So they can enjoy all their sweet treats guilt-free, and that's my point of view.